Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers America. So today I want to talk about something that could make us all a lot of money, right? So the strategies for how you operate a business day to day and the strategy for when you're getting ready to exit a business are completely different, right? One of the biggest mistakes that entrepreneurs make, right? So let me use an example of like when you're selling a house. So when you're living in your house day in and day out, okay, you may have a few extra things on the counter. Maybe your house needs some paint, and you do it as you need it, right? But you know the term curb appeal, right? It's very popular. So when people usually sell their homes, what do? They make sure that it is appealing to a buyer, right? Very similar to when you're running a business. There's certain technologies and strategies that we can do that can absolutely increase the value of your company when you sell it. Right? So when you are running your business, most entrepreneurs are going to run it for cash flow. They may run it for a certain lifestyle. They may run it for market share. They may run it because the whole family's working in it. These are all great reasons to run your business, but that's not how a buyer is looking at your business, right? So when a buyer gets ready to look at your business, they're looking at things completely differently. They're looking at what is the quality of your earnings. They're looking at if you leave the business, once you sell it, can the business continue without you? They're looking at your leadership team, how many family members you have, and are they all going to leave? They're looking at your market share. They're looking at margins. So they're looking at it from a completely different lens. So the strategies are completely different, right? So when you're getting ready to take your business to the market, if you can align your strategies according to how buyers are looking at your business, it could mean hundreds and thousands of dollars more in the marketplace when you are ready to take your business to the market. So if you got any questions on what these strategies are and how you can prepare your business to go to market, get on my website, www.rbasells.com. Get in touch with me. I'll be happy to hop on a call with you.